be mobbing through the city, bruh.
Yeah.
We be mobbing through the city, bruh.
What?
We be mobbing through the city, bruh.
What?
We be mobbing through the city, bruh.
Yeah.
Girl with fat old ass in this bitch.
Huh. Got my nigga Avin here with me.
Smoov Retro.
We back at it again, bruh.
Spread them legs like bread and cheese. Bring that bread and breakfast, ho. Know I'm getting money like you know I'm chasing extra dough. Hey.
Work, I'm teaming, don't sleep on hard right songs every motherfucking week. Start from the bottom, but you still where you at. Don't call me whack if you never heard me rap. Tryna call me lame, boy, you ain't shit. Only reason you stay fresh cause you don't pay the rent. Tryna join on a nigga, boy, you ain't shit. Half of the hoes you hit, you should ride this dick,
Hey, that was dope, eh?
When they already know when niggas taking up the chills. Oh no, calm down, bitches all on my dick now. Nigga roll up, smoking on a whole pound, motherfucking right boy, yeah, it's going down.
NWA premiere.
I already know Smoov Retro on the motherfucking
Finna walk up in here, bruh. Y'all make sure y'all check out that mobbin. Go soundcloud.com/OG Fresh Boy. And make sure y'all look out for that dead nigga. Ain't that right, my nigga?
That nigga is that shit.
That nigga, bruh.
Straight out of Compton.